Hey you guys, and what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all of social media. I need to change that up. Like, it's so annoying. So I really do need to change that up. But anyways, welcome back to today's vlog. Today is Vlogmas day number 12, I believe. Oh my gosh, number 12 already. That is wild. But let's go ahead and get today started. I already finished up with work, if I'm being honest. Like, work, there's really not much going on with that right now because I'm in a training class right now, so I just sit there and listen. There's really not much to it. So what I'm gonna do right now though is go to Sephora. I need some powder, like some setting powder, and then I also need some setting spray. So I'm gonna go to Sephora and look around and see if maybe I can find some other little gifts or ideas or things, knickknacks, whatever. I'm just literally, I look so blah today, but whatever, it is what it is. I'm gonna just grab my purse, my keys, and my camera. Gonna take you all with me. Where did I leave my phone? It's on the table. Oh, I thought I left it upstairs, but it's just on the table. Okay, I made it to Kohl's, and they have a Sephora here, so it's really convenient. But I figured I'd look at their clothes first because I'm here. This is so cute for like a New Year's Eve event. That is so pretty. Look at this color, like a pink burgundy. I went to do a couple errands. I wouldn't even say a couple errands. I literally just went to Sephora. That's literally all I did. I went to Sephora because I needed a couple of things, and honestly you guys, today has been a little bit of a rough day, and since it's a Vlogmas, like, I've always been very transparent. I'm very honest about what's going on, like, mentally and in general how I'm feeling. And today, it started since last night. Last night I could not get comfortable to save my life. I couldn't go to sleep. I ended up going to sleep at like 1:30, and then I had to obviously wake up for work, so I was struggling all day. And then Matthew went to a basketball game, which is all fun and dandy, and I'm just kind of like very like irritable, honestly, and it's just like hard to be positive on those days, and during like this winter season, it's really easy for me to get, like, I guess you can say, in my feels, in my head a lot more than usual. And today is just one of those days, and I had been needing to get some setting spray and some setting powder, and also like a serum that I use. So I went to Sephora and I picked up a couple of goodies, mainly like what I needed. I use the Feeling Good by Pharmacy. It's a hyaluronic acid plumping serum. And I don't know, I just love this so much. If it'll focus, I think there's just too much light. I have my little light up here, so I think it's just too bright. And then I love this stuff. Like, I got it, I think it was one of those like boxes, like one of those like membership boxes that you sign up for, and it's like a makeup one. I think it was an Ipsy. Was it an Ipsy? I don't know. It was one of the boxes, and that came in it. And this has been like, I would say like over 2 years, and I've been using this since, and I love it so much. It's every single time like I'm close to running out, like I run to Sephora and buy it. It is a little pricey, but I promise you, like, I noticed the difference right away. I like started getting like wrinkles and fine lines just because, you know, I'm 31 at this point, so I mean, it's normal. But I feel like that this stuff has definitely helped out quite a bit. But then anyways, I also got the Always an Optimist I don't know, it's 4-in-1. It's a glow boosting mist that hydrates, primes, sets, and refreshes the skin by Rare Beauty. I absolutely love Rare Beauty. It's one of my favorite brands. I have rheumatoid arthritis, and before, when I first got diagnosed, like, God, like over like over, at this point, over 14 years ago, 13 years ago. Yeah, about, so I was like 16 when I got diagnosed. So it's been that long. Wait, no, oh my God. Yeah, no, it has been that long. It's been a long time, but at that time, you never heard of anybody having like autoimmune illnesses or anything like that. And when Selena Gomez just came out just talking about her struggle with lupus, it really just spoke to me. And just hearing that somebody else, and somebody like her who's like a celebrity and does all these like great and awesome things, and you know, is like out in the spotlight, has an illness that is very similar to what I have, just made me feel really encouraged. And I love the packaging, like the actual like product itself. It's designed in a way that makes it easier for people that have like joint pain to be able to open up a lot easier, because I will say sometimes like certain containers or certain like whether it be a foundation or something, it can get really hard to open sometimes, especially on the bad days with my joints. I just can't twist it, I can't grip it, and she has made it a point to design the products in a way that are easier for people like myself. So yeah, I also got the Always an Optimist Base I don't know, whatever, but it is a weightless universal gel primer enriched with ultra fine pearls for a lit from within glow. So it's a primer, and this is the mini size. I wanted to try it before committing to a bigger one, and I think that was only like, not even like, I think it was like $15 or something like that. And then I got the Always an Optimist. I think that's just like on every single packaging, but it's a setting powder. So I got this, and I can take them out of the packaging to show you all a little bit more. But where is my, I guess, oh, I do have an X-Acto knife here that I can use to open this a lot easier, because Lord knows I struggle sometimes. So I got this in the shade light medium, and this is what I had. I ran out. I did use the Laura Mercier setting powder, but I tried this one one time and I absolutely loved it, and I'm excited to try it. So I'm not gonna like I'm afraid for the powder to like get everywhere, so that's all you're gonna see with that. And I can toss this box because I don't need it anymore. And then here's the other one. This is the primer. I was like this close to also getting a highlighter by Rare Beauty. I want to do like, I don't know if a TikTok or like a YouTube video of just using nothing but Rare Beauty products. I just think it'd be really fun to talk about that and just like my story with rheumatoid arthritis. So I figured it would be really fun to do something like that, like whether it be on YouTube or TikTok, just like a social media platform. But this is the size of the primer. It's just a little mini one. And then this is the setting spray. I didn't know this was a setting spray also, but it's really cool because you obviously have to shake well. Where's it at? But it's a boosting mist that hydrates, primes, sets, and refreshes the skin. So honestly, I probably didn't even have to buy the primer because I could have done both with this, but it's just like this clear liquid, and it looks like it like obviously has something in there. Like it's not just like water. Like if you shake it up, it like looks like, not like there's oil in there, but you know, something's in there obviously. And then this is the pharmacy stuff. Oh, it's so hard to open. You see what I mean? Like Rare Beauty thinks about everything, even to the packaging itself. Like it's not as hard to open like other products. But then this is the pharmacy hyaluronic acid. I I love this stuff. Like every single time I am like close to running out, I run to the store and make sure to buy some more. And then I also got, this is something that I ordered on, that was loud, on Sunday or Saturday, I don't even remember, but I'm excited to use this. I don't know if I have anything that I can like use it with, but I bought a fuse tool. So I feel like I went from like complete opposites, like over here like with makeup and, you know, girly stuff. And I mean, this is girly stuff too, but it's like a fuse tool, and I'm so excited to try this out. I want to try to make like shaker cards or something, like, I don't know. I have all this scrapbook paper and I think it'd be really fun to try to use this. I thought about using it to make Christmas cards, but I don't know. I feel like it's a little too like late for that, so I may end up having to send out like regular old Christmas cards. But anyways, that is like all the stuff that I got. I honestly did not vlog throughout the day today just because I really wasn't feeling it. It was just like a really hard day, and not like to the point that I felt like I was gonna, I shouldn't say like spiral, but it wasn't like to the point that like that I felt bad to the point, I don't know how to explain it. I really don't know how to explain it. Like, it wasn't like a mental breakdown of any kind. It wasn't anything like that, but I felt like the day just kept dragging, and of course like I was tired, but it really sucked. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. I know this was short and there was nothing other than like me showing you what I got, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. My battery's running low, and I think that I'm gonna take that as a sign. And I will talk to y'all tomorrow. And this is like, I feel like goes to show that tomorrow is gonna be a better day, and I'm gonna show you all how tomorrow goes. So I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.